Where are we?
In Florida.
Where in Florida?
I don't know. Off an exit.
I hope you guys can tell me what this is, because I don't even know. Here, look at the sign coming up. Here. Yeah.
To the island where my heart has been with you.
Got it. So here we are, crossing over in Florida. Here we have the boom. It's stuffed all the way up into the cabin, and I was talking about the bimini top. I put these on fishing racks and got them Velcroed to the ceiling. Went with these American-made grizzly bear proof lifetime coolers. It's like a Yeti knockoff.
Headed down to Miami. Or, I'm sorry, we're in Jacksonville, I guess, technically. North Jacksonville.
North Jacksonville.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm so happy. Here we check out these stairs. Bam. Up. Out of the way. And they're supposed to hold ice for 7 days. So we're going to put block ice in the back one and food in this one, and we should have ice all week. We'll find out. Bunch of traffic.
Yeah, accidents.
Accidents in Jacksonville. So we're just going to chill, wait for the accidents to clear out. So let's do this interior walkthrough of the boat. What do you say?
Sounds good.
I had to make this to get these kicked up a bit so that when you open them, it didn't, you know, it helped on the space here. The SV split personality. Sail the SV split personality down into Key West and put on a show for all of you. So put it on your calendar and meet us there. Key West, January 2019. I hope you all enjoy the video. I added some hooks so that we can strap everything in when we're heeled over big time. More fresh water. How about this, guys? A West Marine milk crate. No, I did not buy that. That came with the boat. I would never buy a West Marine milk crate. I just don't think it's worth the money. Yes. The roads are so rough that it shook the light and broke it off. On the trailer here, I've installed, cut up an old fender and riveted it to the fenders. Yeah, fender. Fresh water tank right there. Oh, we got a fishing pole hanging back here. First time I've used this pole, I've still got a big Mickey Mouse pole. That's all it is. I think it's like 15 bucks. Better than nothing.
Fishing
Pole hanging back here. Oil tank. Water pump. Fuel tank. Found out that that bottom line is empty, and the space between here and here, that's 2 gallons. So at least we know how much fuel we do have. Ready to cook our first meal on the stove?
Yes. Ready?
Yes. And we've got sail bags here, cushions for the cockpit, and some more fuel strapped in. And yes, I added these hooks. So, let's look back here in the galley. All right, first meal on the Florida trip at a gas station parking lot. And this is my favorite drawer here, or favorite cabinet. Let's just get into it, guys. We've got hardware. We've got miscellaneous hardware.
Oh. Much better than Hardee's.
Mm-hmm. Great.
That's what we're next to.
Great job, Ashley. Thank you for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, these little feet. They're perfect for the swim ladder has these on it. And I'm sure they're going to wear out. Would you like to give us a grand tour?
Sure. Our bed.
Yes. What about the bed?
Memory foam on
Yes.
top of the regular cushions. So we got it all kind of situated for us.
Uh-huh.
We got our awesome sign up there.
Always
There's-
happy hour. Look at that.
And then we got these couple pictures hanging. We've got it decorated a little bit.
Yeah, just in case we don't like what we see outside of the window, Hardee's, then we can always look
at our pictures. You can guess where those are from.
Oh yeah. I'll bet we get some viewers that know where that one is, especially. Has anyone ever been on that beach before?
That's a very common one.
One of my favorite tools ever. Hey, we're dealing with a trailer. You never know. This is a great tool for cutting, for disassemble. And if you want to comment below and give a guess, this could be a good little contest. We got that one. And then, who knows where that bridge is? And have you ever anchored near it? That's a clue. There's a pretty big anchorage very near that bridge. What do we got here? Oh yeah. Epoxy tapes. We are going to bring this drill. More tape. I got a hammer. What is this? This is a soldering iron. We got solder in there. More Velcro. Battery indicator.
Lots of sailboats.
Lots of sailboats. How do you like our bathing suits? Optional. Ashley actually stenciled that, painted it.
Yeah.
Well done, well done. All right, what's this one say over here? It's
Gone sailing, and it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
You guys remember this from episode 2? Never did give that back to Ashley. All right. Oh, yeah, of course. Yes. Harbor Freight, baby. All right. Oh, look here. This is... You guys will appreciate this. Yeah. Spare winch handle.
Fans that are rechargeable.
Oh, yeah. Little battery-powered fans.
What, 3 of those?
3 of those.
Got a couple up in the bedding area.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we got our sliding storage pretty much. Nothing fancy in there.
Wait, what's in there? Christmas lights.
For decorating.
LED Christmas lights, yeah. A little string, couple strings of them.
Boat up.
Might decorate,
It's that time of the year.
It is that time of year. Oh, here's another picture.
Couple pictures there.
Oh, this is an awesome place. One of my favorite places to go by boat. And it, by the way, all these places are in Florida.
Yes.
Oh, and what about that place? Does anyone know where that is?
That's probably my favorite one, just because of the colors.
It is pretty. So we
got
just
our stove. We just
finished.
had dinner.
Just had dinner. Thank you, Ashley. You get the idea. What else do we got? Whoa! Haven't figured out where I want to hang this little handy dandy hook. It looks like it's a purpose-built hook for line, possibly. These came with the boat. I've got all kinds of fun hardware. I've been through them and separated them into 2 categories. So yeah, we got some electrical connectors and extra rings for the standing rigging. More hardware, heat shrink, tubing. What else? Remember, beware pirates. This right here, this was a donation from Vic at Boat Sales of Lake Wiley. Channel. Broad Causeway Bridge, Broad Causeway Bridge. This is Sailing Vessel Split Personality. He is offering real discounts to this audience. Thanks, Vic. And if you guys haven't seen that video, Vic is a authorized Yamaha dealer, and he can sell you boats. He can ship them all over the world. So check out that video. He's offering major discounts for this audience. So give him a call if you need anything. Thanks again, Vic. Awesome. Thank you, Ashley, for dinner.
The first one so far on this trip, our sink. Big deep sink for a small boat. And this is a storage. It's dry storage. We have our liquor and paper towels, the necessities.
So I guess it's not dry.
No, it's wet.
Yeah.
It's a wet bar.
Wet bar under your butt.
Oh, more storage. We got pots and pans.
Dishes and
whatnot. More storage. We got towels and throw cushions and extra throw cushions.
stick your head underneath and show them what's underneath that left side, underneath the bed. All right, guys, this is where we, when you fill the water ballast. Fill up the water ballast.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you show them what it's like on your end.
About to open up the ballast. Maybe you can hear the water rushing in. See the water down in there filling up. You see the wind, but you can feel it.
Salt water.
There's so much full. There it goes. See? A little bit of water. You can get that in there nice and tight. And she's ready. Ballast is full. You gotta shut the lever back at the back of the boat.
Oh, I'll show them that. Let's show 'em. Oh, it was just bubbling. Yeah, there's some bubbles coming out there. All right, shut her down. She is full. Packed right full of water. We've got a little bit of water ballast. Looks like we're floating nice and level now. The water ends up coming bubbling out of here, and that's how you know it's full. Then you put the plug in and you're good to go. Battery bank here. So we got the 2 for the house and starting battery, and then we got 2 more here. Right there. So we got 4 batteries up front here. That should last us. Especially, oh, don't forget about the, we got the fishing net. Oh, honey, run down and get the net. It's in the bow. Solar panels. We've got a couple solar panels, 3 of them.
And we got our hanging stuff, organization. It's key.
Yeah. We can,
trying to stay organized.
what's in here?
Fuses and everything else. Boat registration.
Cool. How about in here?
Electrical
Oh, we already
chargers.
got in there. There's some. Oh boy, and some
Snorkeling.
fishing stuff under here. Hammocks. All right, let's find out what's in this awesome waterproof box from Harbor Freight. Come on, baby. It's got a good seal on it. Oh yeah, and sometimes they say if you let the air help to open it. This is the biggest problem I've had with this box, is getting it open.
You gotta hold all the latches up at once.
You need 4 hands. Look, I gotta get my foot in there. I don't understand why I can't get this open. Did you hear that? It just like sucks shut. This is what's in there. Our drone. Check it out, guys. We got the drone, the controller, and all the goodies up underneath there. But you're gonna see some more.
To the island where my heart has been with you all these years.
As soon as we get there. What is this, guys? I know it's got to have, I mean, it's like, you know, you bolt it somewhere. It looks specific to a sailboat. So if you could comment below and tell me what that is and where I should install it, that would be great.
Maybe a free shirt.
Maybe a free shirt. Hey, check out the link below. We do have shirts for sale.
Yep.
Hey, check out this shirt. It's even got the pirate.
I like it. It's got our pirate flag on it. Looks good.
That's me on the back.
Yep.
We appreciate you guys watching. Barefoot Sailing Adventures! Rolling through Jacksonville. Rocking and rolling.